Hi, I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrocca. You clicked on the Weather Now link, finishing up a beautiful day today. I mean, temperatures that topped out in the lower 40s. Not bad, a little bit of melting and nice to see the sunshine. A little chillier for Friday and especially over the weekend. In fact, very cold come Saturday into Saturday night. We did top out in the lower 40s. Take a look at the weather wind gusts right now. It's been a blustery evening. We're taping this as of about 10 o'clock Thursday night. Still getting gusts, 25, 30 miles per hour. So it's making the temperatures feel a little colder. So here's what we have. A light mixture of light rain and snow coming up for Friday. Doesn't look like a big deal. It's not a storm. In fact, we're dry in the morning, and then that light rain snow mix by late afternoon and early evening. It won't last long. In fact, we'll start to clear out again for later Friday night. A dry weekend, but much colder, especially Saturday night, early on Sunday morning. In fact, Saturday night, frigid. We may be talking about temperatures down to about 10 to 15 degrees. So pretty cold. And our next storm system early next week, Monday and Tuesday, looks like a mild rainstorm. Both of those days will actually have temperatures well into the 50s. So as cold as it gets over the weekend, there's a big spike in the temperature come Monday and Tuesday. All right, take a look at the satellite and radar composite and, kind of going back and forth between clear skies and some patchy clouds. Here's a wider view. Not too much going on across New England. Most of the snow showers upstate New York and the Great Lakes, some lake effect snow. And our next system, and it's fairly weak, right up in here, the area of low pressure, upper Great Lakes and northern plains. This will drop through Friday afternoon, Friday evening. And we think just enough moisture for some light rain and light snow showers. I think it's one of those deals where, the better chance of seeing a snow shower further north of Providence, better chance of just a light rain shower further south, especially near the coastline. But regardless, it's out of here later Friday night. With the exception of the central and southern plains, a lot of blue on the map indicating some chilly temps. And you can see a little bit of the purple just over the U.S.-Canadian border. And that's some pretty cold air that's headed our way for the weekend on Saturday. So we'll get in real close. We'll walk you through it by hour, starting off this evening and take you through the overnight. Now, let's take you into it's about 7 o'clock in the morning. Any filtered sunshine early will give way to increasing clouds. Now, it starts off dry Friday morning in the mid to upper 20s. Notice the deck of clouds increasing during the afternoon. This is around 2 o'clock, upper 30s to near 40, not much higher than that. Then later in the day and towards the evening hours, some light rain and light snow showers, whatever's left of that activity, and you can see that offshore right over here. That's pulling away. Now, this is 8 o'clock in the evening, so notice the clearing to our north and west. That's going to overspread the area. So, and watch the temperatures drop. And you can see that. So 11 o'clock Friday night, we're actually clear, and they're getting even colder by Saturday. So forecast for your Friday morning. Early hazy sun giving way to increasing clouds, starting off upper 20s to low 30s. And during the afternoon hours, I know that looks like we're forecasting some sort of heavy precipitation. It's not. It's just light rain, light snow, late day, early evening. Temps that'll be in the upper 30s for daytime highs. Let's take a look at the 7-day. Again, weekend is dry. Pretty cold on Saturday with some sunshine. Look at that 17 on Sunday. That's the early morning sunrise temperature. Though it does recover to 40 by the afternoon. And the good news is the Patriots game against the Chiefs kick off, I think, around 4:30, 4:25. The weather looks dry under partly to mostly cloudy skies. Typical chill that you would find for a December night football game. So not extreme or bitter cold, but obviously bundle up. And the good news, no rain or snow. We've had a couple of soakers at Foxborough. Of course, the Cowboys game was pretty wet. But we're dry this time around. But look at the spike in the temperature come Monday and Tuesday. We're talking well into the 50s both days, rain and fog. Some of it may be heavy. And that 2-day period, Monday through Tuesday, may actually have rain that tallies up to perhaps a couple of inches. And it would be in the form of rain. Look at those temps. And as mild as it gets on the Monday and Tuesday, it really cools off again by Wednesday and Thursday. So just kind of some nuisance light mixture tomorrow afternoon, late day, early evening. A dry but cold weekend, especially Saturday night. And then a spike in the temperature Monday and Tuesday with some rain. That's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.